Good morning, my dear students. Previously, we can explain the new ratio and sacrifice ratio. Okay. We can explain the another problems. The new ratio and sacrifice is a very important problems. Previous problem, second, third, fourth. Four problem compulsory unde exam vachuna problems ivi prati sari vastuna problems. So like one problem. We are going to discuss this problem. Ram and Shyam are a partner sharing the profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Gopal was admitted on 1/5 share in the profit. Calculate the new profit ratio. Em calculate the new model. So this model of exam new profit ratio. So our old partner Ram and Shyam, new partner Gopal. Gopal is a new partner. When we are taking new partner, when the company required, when the company need the capital, when the company need the management skills at the time to admitted or taken the new partners of the partnership firm. Gopal is a new partner, old partner Ram and Shyam. Ram. So we go Shyam. Ram and Shyam. Ratio is 3:2. 3:2 means 3/5, 2/5. 3/5, 2/5. So we have a new partner. New partner here Gopal. New partner. What is the share of the share? Admit 1/8 share. And this is 1/5 share. 1/5 share. Calculate the new profit ratio. New profit ratio. Here. Gopal share. 1/3. సో ఇక్కడ 1 కి ప్రాఫిట్ మొత్తం టోటల్ ప్రాఫిట్ 1 అనుకుంటే 1 మైనస్ 1/5 is equal to 5 into 1/5 4/5 గోపాల్ 4/5 ని మనము ఏం చేయాలంటే ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్నర్స్ రేషియో మనం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలి. సో ఓల్డ్ పార్ట్నర్స్ Ram ratio 3/5. 3/5 into profit 4/5. Shyam into Shyam ratio 2/5 into 4/5. 2/25. 8/25. Gopal ratio అంటే మనకు 1/5 రేషియో ఉంది. సో మనకు దీంతో మల్టిప్లై 25 వస్తది అంటే 5 డివైడెడ్ బై 5 ఎలా వస్తుందో 5/5 అంటే మనకు ఈ 5 దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేసుకుంటే డివైడెడ్ బై 25 వస్తుంది చూసుకొని దాన్ని డినామినేటర్ లో అండ్ ఫార్మ్ తీసుకొని డివైడ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ 5 into 5 25. 5 into 1 5. So now new ratio is equal to 12:8:5. 12:8:5 is a new ratio. Once again explain. Old partner Ram and Shyam is a old partners. The ratio profit ratio 3:2. 3/5, 2/5. New partner Gopal ratio 1/5. 1/5. Calculate new profit ratio. Here Gopal share 1/5. Profit is 1. మనం ఏదైనా లాభం ఒకటి అనుకుంటే 1 minus Gopal share 1/5 is equal to 4/5. 4/5. ఈ 4/5 old ratio కు మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటూ చేయాలి. సో Ram old ratio 3/5 into 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Sham, old ratio 2 by 5 into 4 by 5 is equal to 2 into 4, 8, 5 into 5, 25. Gopal shade 1 by 5th into the చూడండి 1 by 5th ఎలా వచ్చిందో 25 అంటే ఈ I ని దేంతో ఇంటూ చేస్తే మనకు డినామినేటర్ 25 చూసుకొని దాన్ని మనము ఏమనుకో పైన రెండు తీసుకోవచ్చు ఉంటది. సో 5 by 5 so 5 into 5 into 5 25. So ఇక్కడ new ratio is equal to 12 is to 8 is to 5. This is a new ratio. This is a new ratio. It is a first problem is completed. Ratio Next problem. Rajagopalan and Vishwanathan and sharing their property in a ratio of 5:3. Admittedly, Gururaj on 5th by 3 by 7th share in the new form, which he taken is 2 by 7th from Rajagopalan and 1 by 7th from Vishwanathan. Calculate the new profit ratio. ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ new part ఇక్కడ new part old part of Rajagopalan and Vishwanathan old partners. New part Gururaj the new partner. Old partners. Old partners Rajagopalan and Vishwanath. Ratio is 5:3. 5:3 means 5 by 8, 3 by 8. New partner is new partner Gururaj. The ratio is Gururaj 7th from ratio 7th from 7th shade new form అంటే 3 by 7 తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇక ఎలా తీసుకుంటే 3 by 7 which take 2 by 7 from Gururaj and 1 by 7 from Vishwanathan. So we have this ఇక్కడ Rajagopalan old ratio 5 by 8 minus in which this Gururaj taken from which taken 2 by 7 from Rajagopalan. So now 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 LCM తీసుకుంటే 56 30 point minus 12 16 36 56 LCM 8 ones are 8 sevens are 56 7 into 5 35. Next 7 ones are 7 8s are 8 into 2 16. ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 19 divided by 56. Rajagopalan. Next Vishwanath 3 by 8 from minus 1 by 7. LCM 56 8 ones are 8 sevens are 7 into 3 21 minus 8 is equal to minus 8 13 by 56. Gururaj new partner Gururaj 3 by 7 3/7. 7 ని మనం దీంతో ఇంటూ చేస్తే 56 ఒక చూసుకోవాలి. 7 ని చేసుకున్నాము 56 వస్తుంది. 7 into 8 56. సో మనకు 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 24 56. The new ratio is equal to 24. Old ratio and new profit, calculating new profit ratio. New profit ratio. This is a new profit ratio. Okay. Old partner is Rajagopalan Vishwanathan. New partner is Rajagopalan. 3/7. Rajagopalan 5/8 minus 2/7. So మనకు 35. So మనకు 80 minus 7 మనకు LCM 56. Okay. 8 1 8 7 35 minus 16, 19/56. Vishwanathan, old ratio 3/8 minus here sacrificing 7/8 is equal to 56 minus 28 minus 8 is equal to 13 minus 56. Rajagopal ratio 3/7. So like into 8/8 24/56. The new ratio is equal to 13. 19 is 13:24. Is a new ratio. Okay, 2 problems is completed. Okay, fourth problem, fifth problem, calculate the new problem. Compulsory exam వస్తుంటాయి. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం.